A dishwasher that won't drain properly can be frustrating, especially when dirty water pools at the bottom after a wash cycle. Luckily, in many cases, you can fix this issue at home with some basic tools and simple steps. First, cut the power to your dishwasher by unplugging it or switching off the circuit breaker. This ensures your safety while you work on it. Then, check for standing water in the bottom of the dishwasher. Use a towel or a cup to remove as much water as possible so you can see and access the drain area clearly. Next, inspect the dishwasher filter and drain area at the bottom of the tub. Food particles, grease, or debris can often clog the filter and prevent water from draining. Remove the bottom rack and unscrew or lift out the filter. Rinse it under warm water and scrub it gently with a soft brush if it's greasy or dirty. Also, check the drain hole for any gunk or bits of food stuck inside. Once the filter is clean, check the drain hose, which runs from the dishwasher to the sink drain or garbage disposal. A kinked, clogged, or disconnected hose can cause drainage problems. To inspect it, pull the dishwasher slightly away from the wall and locate the hose behind it. Detach it carefully and run water through it using a garden hose or tap. If water doesn't pass through, you may need to flush it or replace the hose. Now try this natural cleaning method to clear minor clogs and freshen the drain. Pour 1 cup of baking soda down the dishwasher's drain area, followed by 1 cup of white vinegar. Let it sit and fizz for 15 to 20 minutes. This mixture helps break down grease, food residue, and minor blockages. After that, pour a pot of hot water down the drain to flush everything out. This method is safe, chemical-free, and very effective for minor drainage issues. After cleaning and flushing, run a rinse cycle without any dishes to see if the water now drains properly. If it does, you've likely solved the problem. If the dishwasher is still not draining, check if your garbage disposal is clogged, especially if the dishwasher hose is connected to it. A blocked disposal can prevent the dishwasher from draining. Run the disposal and clean it thoroughly. Lastly, inspect the air gap, if your sink has one. This small cylindrical fitting sits near the faucet and can get clogged. Remove the cap and clean out any debris using a brush or toothpick. If all else fails and your dishwasher still won't drain, it might be time to call a professional. The issue could be a faulty drain pump or internal clog that needs expert help. By following these simple steps, you can often fix a dishwasher that won't drain, saving time, money, and hassle.